Welcome back again to Bent Out of Shape, your metal art do-it-yourself resource. I'm Dan, Sue's behind the camera. Today we are going to do a little repurposed tractor. A couple different kinds here. The one we're going to do is with a C-clamp. I'm going to assemble it, I'm going to tell you the parts we used, and we're going to put this thing together. So I'm going to try to talk as loud as I can so you can hear what I'm doing when I've got the hood down. So bear with us on that. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up to our channel. We'd appreciate it. So I am going to start out with a C-clamp. Very basic, beat up, old C-clamp. Doesn't work anymore. Then, because of my wheel choice, which is an old feed bag weights. People that understand antiques know that these feed bag things come with different weights. That's what these are. For the motor part, we're going to just use this stainless steel gear that will fit in here halfway decent. Then I got a front wheel that's going to go on like so. I found this valve turner. We're going to cut that off. That's going to be our steering wheel. And then for a seat, there was an old fire poker I found. I cut that off already. So that's going to be the backrest of the seat. I got a spoon that will be the seat. And we're going to probably put a crank on the front of it like an old-time tractor. And then I'm going to use a spark plug for the smokestack. So as I go here, you'll kind of see how it unfolds, and I may pick it up if it's not hot to show you what I'm doing. So I gotta grab my hood.
And I'm gonna sneak in and grab a close-up.
Okay, go ahead while I find some gloves. And of course when you need gloves.
And you're gonna use the 2X clear for a sealer.
Yeah, that seems to work best all-purpose when you're using so many different alloys and paints. Just clear coat it and it'll look just like those there. All right, I am going to start by tacking this C-clamp, the handle to the C-clamp. Quick tack. Alright. And then put the axle on there. And the axle just a piece of threaded rod that fits inside these. When you're doing projects like this, you've got so many different alloys, cast, and you never know exactly how things are going to weld. But that's going to be our back wheels, which should be okay. I'm going to put the front wheel on. And that's going to be nothing fancy. There, so there's the front wheel. Now I think I'll put the back wheels on quick, which is just a matter of hand threading these nuts on. So bear with me a minute. And I may tack them all on so they sit a little more square. Okay, we're gonna tack them on and then we'll get to the engine part. And sometimes I'll do these tractors where they actually move, like this one spent a little more time and the wheels move. This one is not going to be that. This is just stuff that I ran into the other day that was in my way. And I'm to the point in my life where I'm sick of moving things 10 times. I'd rather use it and get rid of it. So, we'll put this shaft in here, makes it look like an engine. Most people may not waste a piece of stainless like that on a project like this, but we've got too much stuff. Okay, so there's your engine, there's your wheels. Now we're going to put a seat on there. I think we're going to do like this. And the seat is a spoon. The backrest is that fire poker that I'll put on next. And again, you can hear the different alloys. The spoon is stainless, that fire poker is some kind of cast. So there's your seat. Oh, let's put a hand crank on the front of that thing. Not sure how that's gonna weld. We'll find out here. Let's go like this. I'll put a little bit more on there. Who knows what kind of metal that is. Okay. We'll put that on here somewhere to make it look like a crank. And we'll just add a smokestack yet, and there you got your Steampunk metal art tractor. You're probably thinking, brand new spark plugs. Yes, when people brought me things years ago, they would bring boxes. And just time to use stuff. So all we're gonna add is a steering wheel, which is really gonna enhance this thing. So I'm gonna just nip this off quick with a bolt cutter. We'll put that on here like so, and that is going to be a very nice little tractor. I got to grind for 1 second here. There. All I'll do once it cools off is I'll go outside and I'll clear coat it, and here you've got a cute little tractor. And we'll just clear coat it with the Rust-Oleum Gloss Clear. It'll enhance the colors a little bit and it'll look like $1,000,000. So again, if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you.